Hello. How can I assist you today?
Hey, I am looking for some help with my Airtel Wi-Fi this morning.
Sure, I'd be happy to help you with your Airtel Wi-Fi. Could you tell me a bit more about the issue you're facing? Are you
Yeah,
experiencing
it's
slow
it's
speed?
actually getting dropped intermittently.
I understand. Intermittent disconnections can be frustrating. Let's try a couple of things. First, have you tried restarting your Wi-Fi router?
What you just saw was an example of using the GPT real-time mini APIs. Now, OpenAI did launch real-time APIs long ago, and they were not available to everybody. But in about August, they opened it for all of us, and since then they have made a lot of progress. And very recently, they launched something called GPT real-time mini. Now, that is fantastic, and we are here to talk about that today. The sample that you saw was GPT real-time mini. Why it is significant? For a number of factors. One, the speed is absolutely amazing. The latency is almost not there. It's almost real time, and we'll talk about the latency a little more. Second, the cost. It costs somewhere about $10 for 1 million input tokens and $20 for 1 million output tokens. In layman terms, if you are doing a customer care applications which requires, let's say, about 3 minutes of a call on an average each, you will be able to do somewhere about, on an average, 700 to 800 calls within a budget of $100. And why it's significant is because, to give you some primer, when you are creating voice AI application, conversation application, there are two ways you can do it. One is called the pipeline way. What is the pipeline way? Is when I'm saying something, the speech gets converted to text. That's the step one. This text is then fed into an LLM with the context to generate an answer. Then the answer gets converted back to the speech. So there are three steps, and this is called the pipeline methodology of creating or developing or designing voice AI applications. The other method is the real-time way of doing it, where the input is in voice to the LLM and the output from the LLM is also in voice. You don't have to do speech to text, then LLM, then text to speech. You don't have to do any of that. So this is called the real-time methodology, and this GPT real-time mini uses that real-time, and that is why the latency is very, very less. It's significant, it's very useful. I'm going to use it in a lot of my voice AI applications that I'm doing for myself and for my customers, and I would request you to give it a try. Let me know what you think, and stay tuned for a lot more voice AI stuff on this channel, because this is what I've been exploring for a very long time now, and going forward I'll continue to explore a lot more on voice